Hey there, space enthusiasts. Today, I've got a fascinating story for you about a quirky little asteroid with a big personality. Meet Zoozve, Venus's accidental moon. So, what exactly is Zoozve? Well, it's a sub-kilometer-sized asteroid discovered on November 11th, 2002 by Brian A. Skiff at Lowell Observatory. But here's the kicker. Zoozve isn't just any asteroid. It's the first quasi-satellite discovered around a major planet in our solar system, Venus to be exact. Now, you might be wondering, what's a quasi-satellite? Unlike regular moons, Zoozve doesn't orbit Venus directly. Instead, it shares an almost identical orbit with Venus around the Sun. Imagine this. From Venus's point of view, Zoozve seems to orbit around it over 1 Venusian year, but it's really orbiting the Sun. Pretty cool, right? Let's talk about its orbit. Zoozve has a semi-major axis of 0.7237 AU, very similar to Venus. Its orbit is quite eccentric, with an eccentricity of 0.4104, and it's tilted at an inclination of about 9 degrees. This means Zoozve's path is a bit more elongated and inclined compared to Venus' nearly circular orbit. Physically, Zoozve is also quite intriguing. It's an X-type asteroid, which means it's likely metallic with an albedo of about 0.25. It measures around 236 meters in diameter and has a rotation period of 13.5 hours. Its light curve has an amplitude of 0.9 mag, suggesting it has an elongated shape, possibly even a contact binary. But here's where it gets really fascinating. Zoozve has been co-orbital with Venus for approximately the last 7,000 years, and is expected to stay in this arrangement for about 500 more years before getting ejected. During this time, its minimum distance from Venus is more than 0.2 AU, so no close encounters. Zoozve also has some interesting interactions with other planets. It's a Mercury grazer and an Earth crosser, exhibiting resonant behavior with Mercury, Venus, and Earth. In fact, it's even classified as a potentially hazardous asteroid, PHA, because it occasionally comes relatively close to Earth. The next close approach? Mark your calendars for November 2nd, 2026, when Zoozve will come within 0.0402 AU of Earth. And what about its quirky name? Zoozve was named on February 5th, 2024, inspired by a child solar system poster, where the provisional designation, 2002 VE, was misread as Zoozve. Radiolab co-host Latif Nasser noticed this, and the name stuck. So there you have it, Zoozve, the asteroid with a quirky name and an even quirkier orbit. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more out-of-this-world content. Until next time, keep looking up.